everybody, it is Lexi D'Angelo, the founder and creative director, also head unicorn over at Brand Party, and I just wanted to show face and horn before we dive into this video that I created for you. So here we go.
I am so excited because we are going to be diving into how to create a high converting web page in just minutes. If you haven't heard, we have just opened the doors to our website theme shop, and all of our themes have been created with customization and high conversion in mind. So not only are you going to be able to create a site that is 100% you and your style, but you're going to be able to create a site that automatically has been built for lead capture and sales conversion. So you don't have to think too much about what goes where or if something is going to work. We have really taken the guesswork out of that for you so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and I am going to share with you exactly how you can customize a page in just minutes. So here we go. All you're going to do is you're going to click on Enable Visual Builder. There we go. And you will click this background color and click that little settings wheel. Click on background, and then you can click this color and you can enter a hex code for your brand or select really, any color you want. So I'm going to go ahead and I have a couple of different colors for my brand. So I'm just going to copy those hex codes and copy the color, and I'm pasting it in there, and voila, it's now changed. So to edit something like this, there's a couple of layers going on here. So we're just going to click this ... button, and we're going to look at everything in sections just so we have a better idea of how it's layered. And we're going to click on the workbook image settings button. We're going to click on that image, and we are going to add in our own. So you can upload a file, or you can just choose an existing one. Let's just say we're going to use this one. We're going to click the check mark, and we're going to go back to the desktop view. So you can now see that there's something else in there. It looks different. You can also delete the laptop if you want to. You can do whatever the heck you want, which is pretty cool. So now we are going to edit this text, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to minimize the screen a little bit so I can grab the right color. Let's just say I want this pink one. All right. Here we go. Going back in here. I'm just clicking on the text. I'm clicking on the gears button. And you can go, there's a couple ways to change the colors. You can just change it by selecting a color in here. You can go to the text area and paste in the hex code, or you can go to design, or you can go into the heading text section and change it from there. I just like to do it with the hex code. If you're, if you don't know the hex code, then, you can go into the design settings, but that's just what I'm going to do because I think that's easiest personally. All right, so then we want to change this button. So we're just going to click on it. We're going to click the gears button again. We are going to, let's just say we want, we want the color of the font, let's just say to be white, and we want the background to be this pink color. And then we want to change the hover state. So when somebody hovers over it, let's just say we want the text to be white and the background to be black. Great. Now we can go in here and change the color of all of these days. So I'm going to go back into Illustrator, and you can write down your hex codes wherever. This is just easy access for me, picking from my brand board. And I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on the gear icon. I'm going to go to Design, Tab Text. I'm going to scroll down and click on Tab Text Color, and voila, paste. All right, now we're going to change the background setting here. Say I want this light pink. Just copying it, clicking it, gear icon, scrolling down, clicking background, and paste. Now you'll see that this triangle thing it hasn't changed, and I'm just going to go over to the wireframe view again. So change your tab arrow color here. Yay! Settings. And you can see the color here. You just need to know a hex code and click enter. And voila. And we'll change the button color in a second. So for the testimonial, let's just say I want a different background. I'm going to click the gear button. I'm going to scroll down, go to background, click on that image, and then I will choose my own. All right, and click done. You can also change the photo if you want to, but I like her. We're going to keep her for now. All right, so you can come over here and change this as well. So we're going to click this background. Let's make it, I'll just show you what it could look like if we made it white instead. So if we make this white, and then maybe we can make this a different color. So maybe we make this, go to the background, and let's make it that color. Sure, why not? Now I can change the photo by clicking it, clicking the gear icon, tapping it, and just putting in my picture instead. And let's say you want to change the texture elements. You can create your own. You can leave it as is, whatever you want. Let's see, do I have, okay, I'm going to select this confetti, click upload image, then just go to design, sizing, gonna make it a little bit bigger, and you can kind of like move it around wherever you want it to be. So there you go. You can play around with any type of width and stuff like that. So if you don't save it the right size, that's totally okay. Click done. All right. And there you have it. You have a totally customized new page. We're going to hit save draft and publish. And then we can view the new site. Ready? So we'll just exit Visual Builder, and you can see how it looks totally different now. And it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So that is how you can quickly and easily, so easily customize any one of our website theme pages in just minutes. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, let me know. But these sites are just so stunning. They're so captivating and stand out, and they really can be made completely unique and customized for you and your brand.